Hey, this is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks, and this is the Gearhub from Railblaza. They call it a Gearhub because the idea is that you can just like load it up with cool accessories from Railblaza. Now, it already has 4 rod holders, 1 in each corner here, but these little tracks, there's 9 of them all through the crate, 2 on each side here and 1 on the top. You can put whatever Railblaza accessories you like. So if you don't want to be sort of mounting a lot on your kayak, you can just mount everything on this one crate, and then you can use your bungees on your kayak, or there's some custom bungees as well, and hook it down here, and away you go. So it's really, really easy. There's quite a bit of space inside the crate as well for loading up with gear. It comes with handles on each side. And you can sit on it, best of all. So if you like to go fishing both on land and then also on your kayak, it ties beautifully on your kayak or your stand-up paddleboard. I haven't successfully sat on it on a kayak. It's just too high, so the center of gravity makes it a bit too wobbly. But if you want to be able to go to a waterway and have something to sit on while you're fishing, it doubles perfectly as a seat in that instance, in my opinion. Now, just be aware that when you buy this, obviously you don't need to get a milk crate or anything because it's a solid piece of kit, but it comes disassembled and there's quite a few screws. All these screws here, you have to assemble. It takes about half an hour, so just bear that in mind. If that doesn't suit your personality, you might need to look for another option. But I love the idea of something you can sit on. I love the idea of having all your gear together and away you go with your gear. And then also your seat is in there as well. So if you want to carry less but get more out of it, the Gearhub from Railblaza is a great option. It's also pretty lightweight. If you have any questions about the Gearhub from Railblaza, please get in touch. This is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks.